ATL2 Assembly Tutorial 1. Install software and drivers. First, insert the U key and the U disk. Copy the files on the USB drive to the desktop of the computer. Open the software installation package. Choose language. Select the installation path on a disk other than the C drive. According to the prompt, click Next to complete the installation. Open the driver installation package. English system. Select 8640 EN to open. Select the system version and then open the installation package. According to the prompt, click Next to proceed with the installation. Then close the pop-up. Open the data compression package and copy the data folder. Right-click on the software icon, open the location where the file is stored, and then perform the paste operation. Select the files to replace in the target. Open the software. Click on Language in the menu bar. You can choose to switch to other languages. Software and driver installation is complete. 2. Material feeding. Place the aluminum plate on the feeding tray. Manual straightening of the front part. Pass through the straightening device and align with the entrance of the roller pressing shaft. Press the feeding button and insert the sheet of material. Continue to feed continuously to the bending outlet to ensure smooth flow. Adjust the height of the material clamp to press down on the sheet and lock its position. Gently rotate and adjust the straightening tool to ensure it functions properly for straightening. The preparations are complete. 3. Feed calibration. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Feeding Calibration. Click Start Calibration. Mark the starting position on the plate at the press plate location. Click Yes and wait for the delivery to be completed. Mark the end position at the same location. Click Yes. Press the emergency stop button and remove the sheet metal. The length between the measurement marks. Release the emergency stop button. Click OK. Enter the measured length. Click Confirm Calibration. Calibration completed. 4. Replace the blade and adjust the slot depth. First, cut off the supply of compressed gas. Release the remaining compressed gas. Loosen the 4 locking screws on the slot component. Remove the handle and replace the blade. Insert into the handle and align with the left limit. Press the handle of the knife firmly to ensure it is tightly against the surface of the material. At the same time, tighten the top screws on the top. Lower the plane cutting tool assembly to make it cut the surface of the material. Observe and determine the depth of the slotting. The depth can be adjusted repeatedly until it meets the standard. Tighten all the set screws. Remove the material from the slot position. Connect the compressed gas. Place the material at the slotting position. In the software installation process, click on Slotting Test tool. Test the complete depth of the slotting. Back 0 offset. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Processing Parameters. Find back 0 offset, then click Test. Check whether the final position of the folding knife is centered over the discharge opening. If not centered, change the back 0 offset value. After multiple adjustments, it was finally centered. Click Save. Back 0 offset debugging is completed. 6. Bend knife calibration. First, deliver the sheet materials to the exit of the bending knife. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Bending knife calibration. First, adjust the left bend balance. Right-click Workspace, Outer Selection. Select the arc part of the bending balance. Right-click, Confirm selection. Start processing. Observe and compare the radiance. If it is inconsistent with the graphics, change the left bend balance value. The larger the value, the greater the striking force. Repeat the test until the curvature is matched. Next, adjust the right bend balance. Right-click, Clear Selection. Right-click, Inner Selection. Select the graphic. Right-click, Confirm selection. Start processing. Observe and compare the arc degree. If the arc degree does not match, change the right bend balance value. Repeat the test until the curvature is matched. Next, adjust the left bend force. Clear the original selection. Pick up the arc part of the bending force graph. Start processing after confirm selection. Observe and compare the arc degrees. If the arc degree does not match, change the left bend force value. Repeat the test until the curvature is matched. Next, adjust right bend force. Clear the original selection. The inner selection of the arc graph of the bending force. Start processing after confirm selection. Observe and compare the arc degree. If the arc degree does not match, change the right bend force value. Repeat the test until the arc is matched. Click Save Material Parameters. The bend knife calibration is complete. 7. Arc offset. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Sample Test. Outer selection of arc forming offset as shown in the video. Start processing after confirm selection. Observe and compare the length of the front and rear sections. If the front section is long, it indicates that the bending position is too far backward. Click Parameters, Processing Parameters. Change arc offset value. The larger the value, the closer the bending position is to the front. Click Save. Repeat the test until the lengths of the front section and the rear section are the same. Arc offset adjustment completed. The tutorial is over. Thank you for watching.